Use the wall to tighten your core muscles in a safe and effective way. Marching. Stand with your back facing the wall. Keep your heels together and keep your arms next to your thighs. At the same time, lift your left knee and your right arm up. Go back and mirror the movement on the other side. Thoracic rotations. Stand with your back facing the wall. Put your hands next to your body. Rotate your torso to the left and put your hands on the wall. Gently push your body away and rotate your torso to the other side. Alternate between sides. Standing child's pose. Stand a little further away from the wall while facing it. Put your hands on the wall at your eyes level. Push your hips backwards and let your chest drop towards the floor. Go up and repeat the movement again. Side bends. Pendulum hamstring stretch. Take a wide stance against the wall. Cross your arms. Lean forward above your left leg and move all the way towards your right leg. Make sure your glutes are staying on the wall and your back is straight. Wall-supported kickboxing. Lean your back and glutes onto the wall. Put your hands at your chest level. Keep your feet together. Simultaneously punch forward with your right hand and kick with your left leg. Mirror the movement on the other side as well. Abdominal twist. Sit down and put your feet on the wall. Keep your knees slightly bent and lean a bit backwards. Put your hands together in front of you. From here, twist your body to one side and touch down the floor with your hands. Alternate between sides. Straddle wall crunch. Lay down with your legs extended up the wall. Keep your glutes in contact with the wall. Extend your arms behind your head, straddle your legs, and touch the wall between your legs with your hands. Slowly go down. Side to side knee tucks. Start the movement on all fours, back facing the wall. Extend your legs up the wall so that they are fully extended and your back is flat. Support your body weight on your arms. Tuck your left knee sideways towards your left shoulder. Do both sides. Heel taps. Sit in front of the wall with your legs extended. Make sure your upper back is against the wall. Put your hands behind your head, lift your left leg up, and tap your left heel with your right hand. Alternate between the legs and arms. Standing sideways crunch, right. Stand sideways of the wall. Put your right hand on the wall and left hand behind your head. Place your left foot forward and stand on your toes with your right foot. From there, bring your left elbow towards your right knee. Standing sideways crunch, left. Stand sideways of the wall. Put your left hand on the wall and right hand behind your head. Place your right foot forward and stand on your toes with your left foot. From there, bring your right elbow towards your left knee. Reach through crunch. Lay flat on your back. Put your knees at 90 degrees angle on the wall. Extend your arms over your head and put your hands together. Contract your abdominals. Bring your hands between your knees. Tabletop Oblique Twist. Lay flat on your back. Put your knees at 90 degrees angle on the wall. Activate your abdominals and extend your hands forward. Crunch to one side, crunch to the other side. Standing bicycle crunch. Lean your back and glutes onto the wall. Put your hands behind your head. Keep your feet together. At the same time, lift your left knee towards your right elbow. Mirror the movement on the other side as well. Wall-supported knee raise. Lean your upper back on the wall. Put your feet forward and keep them together. Make sure your arms and hands are also on the wall for additional support. From there, lift your left knee up. Alternate between knees. Kneeling windshield wipers. Lay on your back with your knees and feet together up on the wall. Keep your knees bent at a 90-degree angle. Extend your arms to the side. From here, bring your knees towards the floor to your left side. Bring them up. Do the same thing on your right side. Wall-supported bicycle crunch. Lay on the floor with your feet on the wall. Keep your legs extended on the wall. Put your hands behind your head. Crunch up and with your left elbow touch your right knee while tucking it towards your chest. Do both sides. Single leg glute stretch. Stand tall with your glutes against the wall. Bring your feet together. Put your hands next to your sides. Lift your right knee up and pull it a bit higher with your hands. Lower the leg and do the other one. Alternating shoulder rotations. Stand tall at shoulder width apart. Put your hands onto the wall. Keep your arms extended. Lift and rotate one of your arms backwards. Gently rotate your head towards the rotating arm. Do both sides. Standing cat and cow. Stand with your back facing the wall. Slightly bend the knees and keep your glutes in contact with the wall. Put your hands onto your knees. Arch your spine and gently tilt your neck backwards. Bend your spine and neck and slowly raise up. Active frog stretch. Start the movement by being on the floor, resting onto your hands. Open your knees as wide as possible. Put your feet onto the wall. Rock your body backwards and forwards. Your lower back should be straight. Crisscross leg scissors. Lay on the floor. Straddle your legs up on the wall. Bring your glute muscles to the wall. From this position, close your legs together and straddle them again.